Don't create YouTube content before you knew these skills. I'm gonna tell you 5 essential skills that you need to start off as a YouTube content creator, and make sure you stick to the end of this video because I'll break down how these skills are gonna help you create better content on YouTube. So let's get it. Scripting. Dude, since YouTube is just free for anyone to post videos at any time, that doesn't mean you have to post your disorganized stream of consciousness or how you think the world should work. Taking your time scripting your videos, scripting your content, scripting your intro, hooks, outro are gonna make your videos twice strong and lead the viewers down a path. This is actually gonna help you create content that is strong and organized to lead the viewers down a path based on a specific topic of your video. And this includes scripting out your intros such as the hooks and the call to action, but also scripting all your content that can bring up a meaningful idea. Outro, how you finish up your videos. Filming, this includes camera setting, lighting, and audio. You really have to know the basics of camera setting that are gonna give you the quality and best video as possible. It doesn't matter even if you're using a small camera. I'm talking about 3 elements of a camera. That's ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. You really have to know these basic settings that are gonna give you the best video quality as possible for your YouTube content. Lighting, how you light up your YouTube setup. We see many professional YouTubers have this amazing setup that might have cost them expensive gears, but even though you're just beginning in content creation and you don't have all those fancy stuffs, you can still make a simple YouTube setup that is going to be awesome for your YouTube videos. Audio, 50% of your content is prioritized by the audio. Investing on the audio makes you deliver quality content to your audience. Graphics and design. This can include creating thumbnails, social media posts. Let me explain. I personally create my own thumbnail by myself for my YouTube content videos. I don't need to hire a graphic designer or pay someone to create thumbnails for my videos. I do it myself. Social media posts, whether you're posting on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or the YouTube community, you really have to know the basics of graphics and design. And speaking of graphics and design, if you're having a really hard time starting on graphics and design, I have this simple 2-hour course that can help you get the basics of graphics and design. Check the link down in the description below. Video editing. This includes adding titles and caption to your video, video effects, background music, and make your videos more engaging to your viewers. So if you're just starting off as a content creator on YouTube, you really need to know the basics of video editing, unless you have to pay a video editor to do that for you, and I don't suggest that. It's a really simple skill that can be learned over 1 month, and you can be an amateur on it and film and edit your own YouTube videos. And the last skill is your channel analytics. You really need to know how to study your performance of your channel, and this is provided by a free tool that is built in YouTube Studio that can help you track how your videos are performing with your audience and know what's working best for you so that you can make improvements to the point that you went wrong on your videos. Being great at studying your channel analytics can make you better in creating amazing content and amazing videos. Once these skills are effectively applied, you're gonna create amazing and mind-blowing content on your YouTube videos. But first, you have to invest on your audio gear. And if you're just getting started as content creator, I have this video that I break down this cheap mic that can be really helpful and handy for a content creator who's just beginning. So make sure you tap the screen, and I'll see you there. Till next time, peace.